Yes, Shivam, very right. It's Google Adword. So Adword is all about if you want to do paid advertisement on Google or Google properties or Google partners. So if you want to do paid advertisement on Google website, whether it is a Google search, YouTube, Gmail, or Google Display Network, or Google App Store. So if any website is part of Google, whether it is partner to the Google or whether it is part of the Google, if any website is property of the Google or if any website is partner to the Google, you can show your website advertisement to that website by learning the platform called Adword. Very nice. Thank you so much for answering. Okay, so do you feel that online advertisement is effective one? How many of you feel that doing paid advertisement is an effective way of marketing? How many of you feel that paid advertisement is effective way of marketing? Yes, IUC is saying it's yes, it's very effective. So do you guys click on ads when you see advertisement on Facebook or when you see advertisement on any platform? Do you click on those advertisement? Yes, sometimes you click, and sometimes is enough for these platform to earn enough money. It's like Vivek say that sometimes Vivek click on those advertisement, and as you do the sometime clicks, every people do sometime clicks on those advertisement, and combined together, this paid advertisement industry is so huge that Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, all these are making all these have make their own company. It's Yes, Shivam is saying it's because it's more convenient to provide informations to the consumer. Shivam, very right. It's you get preferred positions. It you are your advertisement or your presence can outstand from your competitors. Your this platform will give you some extra preferences, and your ad will appear separately. So you are getting more attention from your users. Okay, fine. So now you are convinced that Adword is a good platform to do the advertisement. All of you are convinced, right? Nice, nice. So what I will do, I will briefly make you go through these slides, and then we will start our practical sessions. So how many of you have ever tried doing advertisement on Google? Has anyone ever tried doing advertisement on Google? Say yes if you haven't. Any of you have tried paid advertisement on Google? No, IUC hasn't tried. No worries, IUC. Today we are going to do paid advertisement on Google. Vivek has also not tried ever. So, okay, no worries. Shivam has also not tried. Today we are going to set up paid advertisement on Google. Saurabh is saying, ma'am, can I call you on your number? Saurabh, is any problem you are facing? Are you not like are you not able to listen, or am I not audible to you? My headphone is not working. So, Saurabh, I'm not sure how you will be able to listen me, because if you will call me, then how come you want to listen? If you want to call and listen my voice, I'm not sure it will work or not. Mm, I think phone will not work in that way. If you must have to join, we must have that phone extensions to give you that call. So. Let's see if you can find any solutions. I don't think that for mobile call will work for this particular session. Okay, fine. Let's start. That we are going to cover that what is .com bust and how this .com evolved and what are the innovations in advertising with PPC. What is the full form of PPC? Any idea what is the full form of PPC? PPC. Yes, very right. Pay per click. All of you know that. Very right. Very right. Ayushi, Sara, and Shivam and Dependra, all of you know that it's pay per click. Means you are paying for the clicks. If you are ready to pay for the clicks, then it's PPC. Nice, nice. So we are going to understand how what is the advertisement modules available for PPC, and that how this PPC works, and what is CTR, QS, and landing pages. So landing pages, quality score, and click through rate. CTR is click through rate. Regarding this CTR, we have also have little bit introduction about this CTR in SEO. Can you define? Anyone can define CTR? Can anyone define CTR? No. We have discussed little bit of the CTR in SEO as well. CTR is number of clicks divided by number of impression multiplied by 100. Number of clicks divided by number of impressions multiplied by 100. So number of clicks means whenever you are receiving a clicks, and number of impressions, how many times your advertisement has been appeared. So that is the number of impressions multiplied by 100. So we are going to cover all these things in detail. What is CTR, what is quality score, what is landing page, how you can set up your campaign, what is ad group, what are the keyword types, and how you can create text campaign, how you can create image campaign or display campaigns. We are going to cover all these things. So very fastly I am going to go through this website, and then we will start our practical session. So this is how do any of you remember the 2000 Y2K problem, Y2K year 2000 problem? You might not remember that Y2K problem, but I am just making you aware. So at that point of time, so many businesses are very much optimistic about e-commerce. So many businesses, it was a kind of .com evolution was going on, and every businesses were very much optimistic that they can invest huge amount in their online presence, and once they have the online presence, people can buy their product and services from the online, and they can make good amount of money. So initially they have started with this .com. So many companies have invested huge amount of money to create their online presence. But once they have created the online presence, they are not able to get the customers. Any idea why they haven't got the customers? In 2000, approx in the year of 2000, uh, so many companies invested huge amount of money in creating their website and .com websites and creating their online presence. They've invested huge amount, but they haven't got any return. Yeah, Dependra is saying due to lack of awareness. Yes, very right, Dependra. It's lack of awareness, as well as at that point of time, audience was not ready to pay online. That less number of people have their credit card, less number of people have their debit card. They are not ready to do online payment. This is the biggest challenge, that you have every single thing online, but people are not ready to pay you. How many of you do online shopping these days? How many of you have done any online shopping recently? What you have bought recently? Have you bought recently? Yes, Shivam has bought. What Shivam, what you have bought? Mobile. Vivek has bought mobile. Very nice. Shivam has bought watch. Very nice. Very nice. So Dependra has bought a pen drive. Vivek has bought headset. Very nice. So all you can understand now. You are ready to do the transaction online. But back in 2000, people are not ready to do the online transactions. So that's why company has invested huge amount, but they were not getting in return. So people are not aware enough, they are not ready to do the transactions, they are not trusting the online medium so much that they should share the credit card or debit card detail with them. Even in India especially, so many people does not have their debit card and credit card. If you do not have your debit card and credit card or net banking, you can't do online payment. So you have opened the shop, you have created the online presence, but your customer is not ready to buy the product. So and that is the reason the entire .com industry busted. Means they have invested huge amount, but they are not able to get the return, right? So this is the story behind .com bust. And one of the very pioneer company who has started paid advertisement, online advertisement. I think Syed has recently joined. Hello, Syed, welcome. So we are doing paid advertisement using Adword, and everyone is able to listen me. If you are not able, if I'm not audible to you, you have to fix your earphone or something. All rest are able to listen me. The rest people are able to listen me. Syed and Saurabh has a little bit of issue. They can. You have to look into your. You have to look into your audio systems or some thing. Rest Ayushi, Dependra, Dayanand, Vivek, all of you are able to listen me, right? Yes, Vivek is saying yes. Sarah is also saying yes. Dependra is also saying yes. Yes, fine. All of you are able to listen me. Listen me. Sayed, you have to fix your system to get audible voice from me. Okay, come back to the .com bust. One of the pioneer company who has started online advertisement is Yahoo. Have you seen this kind of advertisement on Yahoo? So this is the how Yahoo has started doing advertisement on their home page. So they have started displaying advertisement on home page. So in especially in the Google homepage is very pristine. Google homepage, on Google homepage, Google does not do any kind of advertisement. To make it more clean, on Google, especially on the google.com or search engine, you will see advertisement only when you do the searches. If you are not doing the searches, you are not going to see any advertisement. But on Yahoo, you can see that you will see the advertisement without even you are not doing any searches. So this is one of the pioneer company who has started .com. So when someone has done Yahoo, Overture was Yahoo company. They have started .com, but they haven't got any return. So at that point of time, it has started pay per click. Search engine has lot of impressions and they want to sell as much as possible. Advertiser is not interested in impressions. He wants more clicks. He wants more clicks. IUC is asking what is .com. .com is your online presence. As we have a domain name, in when internet has started, there was a very few number of domain name was available. It was .com, .gov, .edu, .net, .org. These are the very few top level domain that is called TLD. Very limited number of top level domains were available at that point of time, and the most popular was .com. So every single business, if you are doing any online commercial transactions, then you have to create .com, your website .com. So that's why it is termed as .com. It's a top level domain. all the website, all the online presence who was giving, who has been created for the online commerce. So that kind of website is categorized as .com for the commercial purpose. You have created your online presence for the commercial purpose, then it's .com. So that's why it is termed as .com. Are you see fine? You got the answer? Yes. So now come back to the advertisement. When it's Shivam is asking when we use org. It's an organization. If you are representing an organization, then it's preferable you should go and book .org. If you are if you are a network, then preferably you should go for .net. If you are a government, preferably you should go for .gov. If you are a let's suppose educational institutions, preferably you should go for .edu. So these are the very few top level domain TLDs are available back then. Nowadays, many TLDs are available like .mobi, .me, .co, .company, .digital, .close, so there's so many top level domains are available to you to get your online presence. But back in 2000, there are very few limited top level domains are available to create your online presence. And most popular top level domain was .com. So .com is basically for any kind of commercial transactions, online commercial transactions. So IUC is saying your voice is breaking. Let me see if all things is fine at my end. I'm doing the sound check. Okay. Now it's clear. I think now it's clear. As IUC says, it's clear now. No. So what happened? So my is working fine. Not clear. Give me one minute. Give me 1 minute, right? I'm just trying to try on the system. Give me 1 minute. Is it fine now? Is it all fine now? Yes. Yes. Nice. So nice. Thank you so much. So let's come back that what is pay per click. So what when .com busted and everyone are very much optimistic about online presence. Companies are doing lot of advertisements. So advertisement, like you see this advertisement, you can see this kind of advertisement. Initially, when you are doing the advertisement, it depends on the how many times you have shown your advertisement. Accordingly, you have to pay. So if your ad has been shown for 1,000 times, you have to pay accordingly. But as .com busted and company does not have that much of money and they are not interested to only show the advertisement, they search engine has lot of impressions and they wanted to sell as much as possible. But advertiser is not interested in impressions. They want more clicks on their website. So impression, are you, all of you are clear about what is impression and what is clicks? Impression and clicks. How many of you know that what is impression and what is clicks? So yes, Shivam and Vivek and Sayed know, and Ayushi don't know. So let's suppose you are searching for anything. This is Google is one of the search engine, and you are searching for anything. Is the same impression as an SEO. I'm talking about same impressions. So let's suppose you are searching for yoga retreat India. So you are looking for yoga retreat India, and you can see how many ad you have seen. One ad, two advertisement, third advertisement, and fourth advertisement. So you have these are the four impressions. These are their impressions. But as a user, will you click on all these four or you will click on one? Yes, very right, Dependra. Impression is the number of times ad has been appeared. The number of time your ad has been appeared. This is the impressions. And when you click on any advertisement, let's suppose you have clicked on this advertisement, then it is termed as clicks. So impressions and clicks. Impressions when you are your ad is appearing, and clicks when someone is clicking on those advertisements. So for end use, for marketers or for website owner, which is more effective, impressions or clicks? As a advertisers, what you want more? Do you want more impressions or do you want more clicks? Yes, everyone is agree that everyone want more clicks. Everyone want more clicks. Yes. So advertisers want more clicks, and search engine have a lot of impressions. So what they have decided, so rather than charging for impressions, they started charging for clicks. So now the advertisers and search engine both are very happy, because advertisers have to pay only when someone will click on their advertisement. They are not interested in paying for the impressions. They are interested only in paying for the clicks. So this happened that advertiser has search engine has given options to the advertisers. You have to pay only when someone will click on your advertisement. So this is the how this PPC has been started, that how PPC has been evolved. Advertiser pay only when someone will click on the advertisement. No money to be paid to the to advertise. Only if someone click, then only when someone is clicking on your advertisement, then only you have to pay. And how much money is paid will be decided by the customer, how much he value the keywords. So let's suppose you are searching for yoga retreat in India, or affordable yoga retreat in India. So if you are looking for this keyword, how much you will pay, it will be decided by the keyword, that this keyword how much value you provide to this keyword. It also decided by the number of advertiser competing for this keyword. Let's suppose you are searching for best yoga book, best yoga book. Let's suppose you are looking for your best yoga book. Can you see the advertisement here? Is there any advertisement here? There is only one advertisement. This is only advertisement, and rest all these details are free one. So this is all the details are free one. This is the only advertisement. So when you are looking for the keyword, best yoga book has less number of advertiser, and when you are looking for uh, yoga classes, yoga classes, might be yoga classes, and then see the advertisements. So the number of advertisements are more on the yoga classes than the yoga book. So that way advertiser is able to decide which keyword is giving them more businesses, which keyword they are giving more value. Accordingly they can pay. So according to the keyword value they can pay. Nowadays there are many other factors which decide actual cost of the keyword, but basically you are paying for the clicks. You are not paying for anything else, you are just paying for the clicks. So advertiser, now so far so good, everyone able to understand. So basically in search engine, when someone is searching for keywords, like someone is searching for yoga classes in Ernakulam. So if someone is searching for yoga classes in Ernakulam and this paid advertisement is coming, depending on the number of advertisers, depending on the value of this keyword, depending on many other factors, quality of the historical data of this advertisement. So Google will ask for the money for the clicks. So it's not only the keywords, there are many other factors which decide that how much you are going for the clicks, how much you are going to pay for the clicks. So this advertiser is only paying when someone click on the advertisement. They are not going to pay for the impressions. They will click only and only when someone will click. And how much they will click, that depends on the value of the keywords. That depends on the number of advertisers. That depends on the competitions. That depends on your historical performance of your advertisement. So many factors are there which decide the actual amount which you are going to pay. So here, first, before getting started with the advertisement, you have to decide which keyword is going to give you the best result. So what are the average price quoted by Google? So Dependra is asking what are the price quoted by the Google. Google has not quoted any fixed price. I'm going to show you how you can find those price. So let's suppose you want that how much price you have to pay for yoga classes in Ernakulam. Let's suppose you have to do advertisement on yoga classes. So what you will do, you will open Google Adword. Open Google Adword. This is the Google Adword. Either you can directly open adword.google.com, or you can go to the Google and search for Adword. Search for Adword, right? Give me 1 second. Let me- Okay, let me do one thing. So as I will change the Gmail, this slide may not work well. So I'm just wondering if I can open from my local system. Anyways, if you want to know the price of any keyword and you are going to do advertisement in the an advert, so what you will do, you will go to the Google, search for advert. You can open google.co.in advert, or you can just open this google.co.in/advert or advert.google.com, and there you will click on sign in. So here you can click on sign in. You have to use the password. You have to use the Gmail ID to create your advert account. Anyone want to share their Gmail ID here? Because if I will use my Gmail ID, I will not be able to show you from the scratch. Anyone want to share their Gmail ID so that I can show you advertisement from the scratch? You can change the password immediately after the session. I just want to show you how to get that. Okay, no worries. Let's see. I'm going to add from. So no worries. This you are going to see from the scratch. Sayed and Dipendra, very nice. Thank you so much. I'm not going to use. I have one Gmail ID. This is Prasanna at Downtown Digital. This is one of the ID which we are going to use for the advert to get started with the advert. When you will use advert, the advert will ask for your Gmail ID. Here you have to provide the Gmail ID. It's this domain name Gmail ID is configured on Gmail, configured using Google Apps. So you can use this ID as your Gmail ID. Here you will provide your website. If you will go through this, then you will land on Google Express. So Google Express is the new Google advertisement solutions for the local businesses, and for the person who don't want to manage so many things on the advert while providing minimum informations to get started with the advertisement, then you can go for Adword Express. So right now, if you want to explore the full-fledged advert, then you have to click on skip the guided tour. So I will skip the guided setup, and then I will land on actual advert account. So it's a full-fledged Adword account. When you will log in for the first time, when you are logging for the first time into the Adword, you have to provide country, currency, and time zone. Country, currency, and time zone informations. So email ID, we will provide your email ID. Country, according to which law Adword will pay to the government. So you have to provide that country. This country has nothing to do with the target locations. Here you can provide the country name India, and even you can do advertisement in US, UK, Abu Dhabi, wherever you want to do advertisement, you can do the advertisement. So this country is only that Adword will pay service tax, or Adword will pay taxes to the government. So according to which country law Adword is going to pay taxes to that country. So for that purpose, you have to define that this account belongs to which country. So here you will provide the country, time zone, in which time zone your reporting is going to happen. So you will define your time zone, and the currency, you will define the right currency, in which currency you are going to pay. And these three account you won't be able to change. You won't be able to change this setting later. So choose carefully. For that one particular account, you can't change country, currency, time zone informations. So whatever you are choosing, select carefully. And after that, you will click on save and continue. So that is done. You have created your Adword account. If you have provided your Gmail ID, country, currency, and time zone, you are done with your Adword account. Right? So before doing advertisement, we are going to decide which keyword will going to cost you what. So this is the basic questions. Dipendra has asked, what is the average price quoted by the Google? There is no fixed price quoted by the Google. You have to decide what price you should be paying to the Google, and Google will get that money according to the online bidding. So it's a real-time online bidding, and accordingly Google will deduct the price. So to know the idea, if you want to know the idea exactly how much you have to pay, here you can log in your Adword account. Here you can go to the tools, and you will click on keyword planner. This is one of the Adword tool, keyword planner. And here you will place your keywords. Let's suppose I want to know how much I have to pay for the yoga related keyword. So what I will do, I will open a Excel sheet or Word file or some notepad, and I will do some guesses. First, I will do some guesses. You can go to the Google and you can search for some keyword related to yoga. So yoga retreat in India. This is one of my keyword. Let's suppose I can collect keyword from here, yoga retreat. So this is the one keyword I want to target, and whatever keyword is appearing as Google suggestion, this is called Google suggestion. So this Google suggestion keyword must be, you must choose these Google suggestions for do the advertisements. So this keyword are very effective one. This keyword will appear only when that keyword have achieved significant number of search volume, then only that keyword suggestion appear. So when you are doing advertisement, it's this selecting keywords from the Google suggestion is a very good idea. So let's select keyword from affordable. I want to select all these keywords, so I'm just going to copy this, and I want to do advertisement on all these keywords. So you have done your brainstorming, yoga retreat, and then you have collected keyword from affordable yoga retreats and spiritual retreats in India, yoga retreat India beginners, and it's I am feeling lucky is not a keyword. So yoga retreat India Rishikesh, these are the few keyword I am targeting. Apart from that, you can also collect keyword ideas from your competitors. So these are the few keywords my competitor are targeting: luxury retreat in India or Ananda Himalaya spring offers. So you can India's best yoga retreats. So you can copy this keyword as well. So you are collecting keyword from your competitors. So yoga retreat for budget, for every budget. So you are collecting this yoga retreat for every budget. Yoga retreat, simple yoga retreat is also a keyword. So it's a yoga retreat. You can collect the keyword from your competitors. So from where you are doing these collections, you have done brainstorming, you have collected keyword ideas from Google suggestions, you have collected keyword ideas from competitor website, and yoga retreat in India or in January, you can select the keyword from here and see this advertisement. Yoga retreat in India, Goa, 15% off on January month. Right now, February is also is going to. It's mid February is already there. February is going to end, but they are giving 15% off on January month. So this you have to keep this kind of mistake or blunder in mind. So when you are running advertisement in February month, then you have to give this discount in February month. So you can also collect keyword ideas from Google yoga session. So you have collected the keyword from your Google suggestions, Google competitors, less blissful meditations and yoga retreat, meditations and yoga retreats. And this can be your keyword. So what you are doing, you are collecting keyword ideas from Google competitions, personalized yoga retreats. So you will collect keyword ideas from it's 3 days meditations and relaxing yoga holidays. So this can be your keyword. So you are collecting keyword ideas from competition website. So yoga retreats in India. So that way you will collect keyword ideas from competition website. This yoga retreat and holidays. So yoga retreat and holidays. So you can just click here, and Shreya yoga retreat or yoga retreat India. So here you can collect this keyword, yoga retreat India. So you will collect keyword from keyword ideas like from Google competitions, spiritual and meditation retreat in India. This can be also a keyword. So you will collect enough keyword ideas from competitions. So it's that way best yoga retreats in India. Enough keyword you have selected, right? So you can also collect keyword from this related term. If this makes sense to you, if you are providing the product and services related to this keyword, you can also collect this keyword as your target keyword. So it's affordable yoga retreat, spiritual retreats in India, yoga retreats India beginners, yoga retreat India Rishikesh, yoga retreats India 2016. Now you are not providing 2016. People might be searching for 2017. So yoga retreat India Kerala, yoga spiritual yoga retreat India, yoga retreat India ashram. So you have collected so many keywords. So what is the main source of the keyword? First, you have done your own guesses. Second, you have collected from the Google suggestions. third you have collected from the competitions. That competition is the website which is appearing on the top 10, the website which is appearing here in the first page. So you have collected keyword ideas from the from Google competitions website, and then you have collected keyword ideas from the Google related. So that way you have collected so many keywords. So you can just copy this keyword and then try to find more informations about that keyword using keyword planner. So how you have reached keyword planner? You have gone to the Google, you have provided the Google account information, that is country, currency, time zone and email ID, and after that you have came to the tools, and within that tool you have clicked on keyword planner. This appear, so many options are appearing. So right now we are going to use one of the option, search new keywords using phrases and website and categories. Here you will place the keywords. So you have three options. Either you can provide the keyword product and services, or you can provide your landing page, or you can provide your product categories. So I would suggest use one of the option at a time. Don't use all three options in one time. So right now, if you are getting keyword ideas from the product and services, use this only. Next time you can provide your landing page and collect the keyword ideas. Next time you can select the provide the category or product category, you can find the keyword ideas. So the most most effective one is provide the keyword here in your product and services, and then you will provide the target locations, in which locations you want to do advertisement. So let's suppose your target location is, I want to target Europe. So I want to target Europe. I want to show my advertisement who is searching for yoga retreat in India, in Europe. Okay, what is the spelling of? So let's suppose I am targeting entire Europe. Let's see if I can filter according to the Europe. No, there is no particular location on Europe. So we will select the keyword according to the UK. If I am targeting UK, United Kingdom. So I am targeting. I want to know how many people are searching in United Kingdom. You can give the list of all those places. So after that, you will provide the locations. So let's go. Right now I'm selecting all locations, but you will be providing locations in which location you want to do the advertisement. There you have to see how many searches is happening. So right now, let's suppose I'm just selecting United Kingdom. So I want to know how many people are doing this keyword search in United Kingdom. So after selecting the locations, you can click on save. So here you can select the language, English language or French, or you can select the google.com or Google search partner, and need not to add negative. If you want, you can provide the negative keyword as well. So I don't want to show my ad for the books. So you can save here. So if someone is looking for yoga retreat book, I don't want to show my ad. So I have added book as the negative keyword. So after that, you can click on get idea. So now Google is giving you this much of idea. You can see these are the keywords you have searched. These are the average monthly searches. Average monthly searches. And this is the competitions. Competition means how many, this is the Adword competitions. How many people, how many websites are ready to pay to the Google for these keywords. So this is the competitions. And this is the suggested bid. In this yoga keywords, you have to pay this amount. This is the average amount you have to pay for these keywords, right? So now you get an idea that how much you have to pay for this keyword. You have to use this tool to get the idea. So if for the keyword yoga retreat, you have to pay, you may have to pay around 90 rupees. For yoga retreat in India, this is high competition is there. So you may have to pay around 140 rupees. Yoga sessions, you may have to pay around 26 rupees. Yoga retreats in India, 16 rupees. Spiritual retreat in India, 90 rupees. So these are the keywords you are paying. Meditations and yoga retreats is 76 rupees. So these are the average amount. It's a tentative idea how much you are paying for the clicks. It's not the exact one, but 90 rupees. IOC is asking 90 rupees per click. Yes, this is the amount per click you are going to pay. This is the actual amount. This is not the actual amount, but tentative average amount. It's not 100% correct one, but yes, average this much you are going to suggested bid. It's a suggested bid. It's suggested that this much you are going to pay for the clicks. So that way you will get to know how much you have to pay for your target keywords. Google is suggesting you approx 120 70 keywords. Google is suggesting you 720 keyword according to the keywords you have given here. According to the keywords you have given here. So you can just download this entire list. Here you can just download the entire list in Excel sheet, all 70 keywords, and you can save the file. So if you have selected this much of keyword, this is 20, it's not only 720. Apart from that, you get all more keyword ideas from here. It's ad group ideas. You can get more keyword ideas from here. It's training in India or Indian ashram and retreat India, yoga for beginners. So you can collect keyword ideas from here as well. And there is one more source of keyword ideas. So you are getting keyword ideas from relevant keyword. You are also getting keyword ideas from keyword by relevance. So here also they are giving you suggested bid and competitions and average monthly searches. Average monthly searches means the number of searches happening for this keyword in the selected location in a particular month. So it's average monthly searches. Competition is number of advertisers. Number of advertisers. Yoga retreat in India. So these are the number of advertisers. So how much they are ready to pay? How much they are ready to pay? That according to that they decide the competitions. How much website is ready to pay for the for this keyword? And suggested bid is average how much you are going to pay for the clicks. So what you will look for when you have to select the keyword, you have to look for three things. Your search volume should be high. You have to select the keyword having high search volume, low competitions and low suggested bid. You have to go for the keywords having high search volume. This is the search volume. It should be high, competition should be low and suggested bid should be low. You will find the keyword. You will find that sweet point that where people are searching for that keyword, that number of competition for that keyword should be as less as possible and the suggested bid should be as less as possible. So can you please once change the location as India, the search once again? Possible. Yes, you can change the locations and you will see the different result. So here rather than United Kingdom, you can select, you can remove the United Kingdom and here you can select India. So if you have selected India and then you can save it and then you can get the idea. So you will see the different. Now in India, it's the amount is 38 rupees, 68 rupees, 70. So you can see that India, the competition is less. But Indian advertisers is trying to attract those foreigners or foreign travelers. So location to location, your amount will change. Location to location, competition will change. Location to location, your monthly average searches will change. Your keyword wise cost will change. Time wise cost will change. Device wise cost will change. So if you are running advertisement, let's suppose 2 o'clock in the night, you are going to pay less amount. If you are running your advertisement in the peak hours, when number of advertisers is very high, then you are going to pay more amount. So there are so many factors, but basically while selecting the keywords, so these are the keywords you have to look for. So while selecting the keyword, you will look for high search volume, low competition, competitions and low bid amount, low suggested bid, low competitions and low suggested bid. So these three basic factors you will keep in mind while selecting the keyword. And the most important, apart from all these three, business logic, business value. So business value, you can suggested bid. It's suggested bid. Shivam, it's suggested bid. This is the suggested bid. So this is the bid. The suggested bid means the per click cost you are going to pay. It's the idea. It's the suggestions Google is suggesting. It's a generic idea that for yoga retreat keyword, per click you are going to pay 38 rupees. For yoga retreat India, per click you are going to pay 28 rupees. For yoga session you are going to pay 129 rupees. Yoga retreat in India you are going to pay 78 rupees per clicks. So suggested bid is that an idea, an average. It's not the exact how much you are going to pay for the clicks. All right. So that way you will finalize the keyword. Got an idea how to use the keyword planner? So you have all these options. You can change the country, you can change the language, you can change the Google, you can add the negative keywords. You can decide, okay, they should be, right now they are giving the average of 12 months. You can say that, okay, give me the average of last 3 months. And you can apply the keyword filter. So you want to know, you want to retrieve only keywords having suggested bid less than 50 rupees or greater than 50 rupees, or ad impression share must be greater than or less than this one. So you can apply all this filter. You want keywords only with low search volume, or you want low competitions, or you want keyword only for the high competitions. So these kind of filter you can apply on the keyword. So here you can apply the keyword options. So you can show keywords in my plan, or so do you want to see the adult keyword ideas? So you can apply here. You want to, okay, give me keyword only having word yoga in the keyword. If you want to keyword suggestions, that keyword must have yoga in their string. So you can provide that string and you can save it. So they will provide the keywords. All the keywords must have that yoga in place. So you can apply all these things to see the keyword ideas, and then you will select the right keyword. Must have high search volume, low competitions, low low suggested bid, and very accurate high business logic and business value. Business wise, that keyword must be giving you maximum business. So if you are not providing, the keyword has yoga word, but you are not providing that services. If someone is looking for yoga mat or yoga mat for yoga session, and you are not providing the mat, then you will not do advertisement on that keyword, right? So So we have done the keyword research. You can use the keyword planner to finalize the keywords. And this is the older version of the keyword planner. Newer version I have shown you. You have the keywords, and you will decide that how much you are going to pay, what is the competitions. So this way we have seen that newer version. And then you have to decide, we are going to set up the ad, and then I will explain CTR. CTR is number of clicks divided by number of impressions multiplied by 100. And then use that user will click on advertisement if it is relevant, if it is interesting, then only user will click on advertisement, right? So if someone is doing yoga retreat class, so when they are providing yoga retreats in India, if I'm searching for yoga retreat in India and they are providing luxury retreat in India, Amada have Himalayas spring offers, and they haven't mentioned the yoga word at all. They haven't mentioned the yoga word. So if I'm not sure whether they are providing yoga or not, so I will not click on this advertisement. If I'm looking for yoga retreat, I will more likely to click on this advertisement because they have used the word yoga retreat. They have used the word yoga retreat. They have used the word here yoga retreat. So if I'm searching for that keyword and that keyword is not present in ad copies, this is called ad copy. This is called ad copy. So if that keyword is not present in the ad copy, I'm less likely to click on that ad. So if I'm searching for this keyword, I always look for that keyword if that keyword is present in the ad copy or not. If yoga retreat, I can see that it's yoga retreat website. So I may click on here rather than clicking here. So you have to always make your ad copy relevant to the keyword. If you are showing your advertisement for yoga retreat India, your keyword yoga retreat India must be appearing in your title, in your URL, in your descriptions, or might be in your site links or link extensions. So you make your ad copy more relevant. Someone has raised the hand. I don't know. Ayushi. Ayushi, do you have any question? No, it's okay. Shivam, have you got the answer suggested with? Okay, Ayushi has raised the hand by mistake. No worries, Ayushi, fine. Thank you. So, whatever keyword you are targeting, your ad copy, this is called ad copy. These are ad copy. So, your keyword must be present in your ad copy to make your ad copy relevant. So you have to keep that, you have to make your advertisement relevant, you have to make your advertisement interesting, you have to give the reason why anyone should click on this advertisement. So it's hand picked verified yoga retreat, so this is the reasons, or it's no booking fees, this might be the reason to get the clicks, or best price guaranteed, so this might be the reason for yoga retreat, clicking that. So you have to give them reasons to click on the advertisement. So here they are giving hot yoga, kundalini yoga, yin yoga, stang yoga, iyengar yoga. So these the different style you are looking for. This might be the reason for get the clicks. So you have to give enough reason to get the clicks. So here spa treatment, yoga session and spa treatment and healthy diets, or this per night cost is the reason to book now. So this is call to action. Book now is the call to action. Compare and book your yoga retreat. Compare and book your yoga retreat. This is call to action. So here there is no our centers. Browse our center now. This is call to action, right? So book 3 nights and earn this much of resort credit. So with deliberate, this is the call to action. So when you are making your ad copy, you have to use the keyword, whatever keyword you are targeting, that keyword must be present in your ad copies in title, URL, description, and site extensions, and try to use this call to action, browse now or call now or book now. So you try to use that call to action and give interesting reason, give enough reason to get the clicks, do enough reasons, give enough reasons so that people should start click you. So this is called call extension. Here you are providing the mobile number, this is called call extensions. Here you are providing extra informations, this is apart from that one line you are providing extra informations. This is called this is called snippet, structured snippet. This is called structured snippet. Here you can click on this internal links, yoga teacher training or budget yoga retreats or beginner retreats. This is called site link. This is called site link. So this is also called site link. This is also called site links. So you have to make your ad copy impressive. Here you can see this ad copy is only of 3 lines, that title, URL and description. So you have to make your ad copy impressive enough. You have to make your which one ad copy is most impressive out of this example. Do you feel people will click here more or people will click here more? So I suppose you are providing more information, people will click here rather than clicking here, and you have to make the relevant, that you will keep in mind. So you are making your ad copy relevant. You are making your ad copy relevant. I don't know what's interesting. You have to make your ad copy relevant, and user will take action as expected. If advertisement should not be misleading. So you whatever your user is looking for, whatever expectations you are setting up in keyword, that expectation must be fulfilled in the ad copy. And whatever expectations you are setting up in the ad copy, that expectations must be fulfilled in your landing page. How many of you know what is landing page? And you have to provide a good deal. So if someone is looking for yoga retreat in India, so you have to provide yoga retreat related informations. So you are fulfilling their information requirement in the advertisement. And when someone is clicking here, whatever you have promised in the ad copy, that promises must be fulfilled in your landing page. So this is the landing page. When you are clicking on your ad, let's suppose you are clicking ad, and you are landing on a particular page, that particular page is termed as landing page. This is basically termed as landing page. So this is the example of, this is not very good example of landing page, but yes, when you are clicking advertisement or landing on a page, this is example of landing page. So they are asking for subscriptions. You can click here and you are landing on a particular page. So this is called landing page. So this is very good example of landing page. So here you are giving very clear information, that here you are providing very clear information. 20% off yoga retreats India, Goa, per night cost, and you are also asking for to fill up the form. Here you are providing some pictures, relevant pictures, and you are giving them some exclusive features. So here you can, if you are providing some if you can provide some testimonials or feedback or recommendations or ratings or review, then it will be also very good idea. And on landing page in general, we try to reduce the distractions. So these menus is maybe a kind of distractions. So when you are doing paid advertisement, we may remove these menus options. We may have only what you are providing. We are providing yoga retreats. Like what call to actions, you have to fill up this form, and might be some testimonials or might be some testimonial recommendations or images here. So you can provide the reason why anyone should book this. You may provide some offers to book this. So that way you will create your landing page. So this is called landing page. This is your ad copies. Clicking here, you are landing on the page. That landing page must have minimum distraction. If you can avoid menus and footer and sidebar, it's all good idea. And on your landing page, your basic question must be answered as soon as possible. Like what exactly you are providing, means you are providing yoga retreats. So what action you are expecting from your end users? You are asking your end users to fill up the form. What is the reason your end users should take the actions? Okay, this is the recommendations, or this is the features, or this is the deal, or this is the discount you are providing. This is the reason people should take the action on your website. So you have to provide the what, why, and call to action. What you are providing, why you are the best, and what action your user to take to connect you. And apart from these three basic things, you can provide a lot of testimonials and reviews and ratings to help your user to take the final action. So that way you are, what you are doing, you are advertising, you will take action as per the expectations. So basic, you have to, whatever expectations you are setting up in the keyword, that expectations must be fulfilled in the ad copies. And when someone is clicking on that ad copy, that expectations must be fulfilled on your landing page. So if you are setting, if you are looking for yoga and see there is no offer on, is it a good landing page? If you are looking for yoga retreat and you are landing on this page, is it a good landing page from your point of view? What do you feel? This is a good landing page for yoga retreat keyword? Syed is saying yes. I feel it's bad landing page. So see the keywords. See the keyword is yoga retreat India, and when someone is clicking here and they are landing on, there is no word yoga retreat. Where it is yoga retreat? There is no mention of the yoga retreat at all. So why anyone will give the take the action? So Dipendra is saying very right, it's not a very good a very good landing page. It's one of the bad example of the landing page. So here you can say that this one is good example of landing page. And let's see if there is more advertisement. Let's see if they have good example of landing page. So this is very good example of landing page. No distraction, no menu, making the life here. They are giving them this call to action is there. Choose the various program, residential offered program every week according to your convenience. This you are yoga and meditation retreats. So you are providing yoga and meditation retreat program. This is very clear here. You are asking, they get the package and pricing. You are asking, you are giving them reason why anyone should fill up the form. They will fill up the form and they will get the information regarding packaging, packages and pricing. So they are giving the reason why you should go to the yoga classes. So these are the experiences. They have given more reasons. They have shared the testimonials. Here you can see that they have shared the testimonials. So if you are providing the testimonial, this is one of the good example of landing page. So here you are landing on the page, and image is not very good idea. This image, rather than this image, your along with this image, if you can provide this informations, that yoga and meditation retreats and form, and along with that form reason for filling up the form, and that testimonials, if you can provide lot of testimonials, then it is a good example of landing page. So you have to always keep in mind that keyword, ad copy, and landing page. Your keyword, ad copies, and landing page should be aligned with your end goal. Okay, this is also a very good example of landing page. It's a holiday yoga retreat. You are very clear what information you are providing. Holiday yoga retreat, very clearly. And then you are asking call to action. This is register your places. You can avoid this distraction, this menu options. You can remove these menu options. And again you are giving them some informations related to the product and services. Again, it's more informations related to the product and services. It's about the yoga teachers who is going to, this is the testimonial. If you can include the testimonial, it's always a good idea. If you can include the testimonial on your landing page, that testimonial can increase your call to action or increase your conversions. So here they are giving more date, time, and locations for the yoga retreat, and this is the location wise. This is one of the fair example of landing page. Let's examine more landing page. So this is Upaya, and let's see if they have good landing page. It's again not very good landing page because objective is not clear. Why anyone, what call to action they have to take? No call to actions, and not very much related, not very clearly that what exactly they are providing. We are looking for yoga, and I'm not able to find the yoga easily here, so I'm not sure that this is the very right landing page. So here we have analyzed few landing page. So are you able to distinguish on the good landing page, on the bad landing page? Yes, yes, nice. Thank you. So come back to the PPTs. Here, advertisement should not be misleading, and whatever they are looking for. If the user is looking for yoga program, you have to discuss about yoga program. If user is looking for meditations, you have to provide information on your meditations. You should not give any misleading informations. Means you have set up. Let's suppose you have given buy one get one free offer, and when someone is clicking on your ad and they are landing on a landing page, and there is no buy one get one free options available to that page. So this kind of advertisement is called misleading information. So in your experience, do you find some misleading advertisement online? Have you come across the advertisement which mislead you? Any of you have you gone? Yes, sometime Shayad is saying yes. IOC is also saying yes. Yeah, sometimes it says they are promising something else on the advertisement, and when you click on this advertisement and land on the page, that page is nothing related with the advertisement. So that is called misleading information. So you have to take care whatever informations, whatever expectations, whatever offer you are providing in the landing page, that must be fulfilled. Whatever information you are providing in your ad copies, that must be fulfilled on your landing page. So they find they should have good enough deal, good enough reasons to click on your advertisement and take the call to action. So quality score, we will discuss the quality score. So once we will set up the ad, and then we will discuss the quality score. Okay, let's set up the ad and see the quality score, and then I will move further. So what we have done the keyword research. Now you can go to the home, and when you are doing for the first time, you can go to the Google, look for Google Adword, click on sign in, provide your Gmail ID, and then Google Adword will ask for your country, currency, time zone, and email ID. Provide country, currency, time zone, email ID, and then they will ask for they will ask for create your first campaign. Here they will ask for create your first campaign. So here you can go and create your first campaign. So let's create one first campaign. Just explore this window at your computer, and I'm going to join you back in 1 minute. So click on that create first campaign and explore the option. I am going to join you in 1 minute. So yes, I am back. All of you are here, and we are going to start our first campaign. We are going to start. Ready for the first campaign? Yes, Sayed is ready for the first campaign. Here you will click on create your first campaign. Sayed, do you have any questions? You have raised your hand. Okay, no worries. So I hope all of you are able to hear me, and here I am setting up new campaign. You have to give attention, enough attention here. If you are not able to hear me, just say yes, or I'm going to set up. Here you will provide the campaign name. Let's suppose your campaign name is I'm setting up a campaign yoga retreat. I'm setting up a campaign around Yoga Retreat India. So I'm giving the name for this campaign name. Whatever name you want to provide, you can provide the name Yoga Retreat India. And I'm running this campaign for the search. So search. It's a search campaign. Search campaign. Alright. So here you can set up the type of the campaign. These are the type of the campaign. Search network with display select, search network, display network, shopping, videos, and universal app campaign. These are the different type of campaign you can run. So when you are selecting search network with display select, it means that you will run your ad in this kind of, you can run text advertisement. You can run text advertisement here when someone is searching for your keyword, and your ad will appear. This is called search ad. This is called search ad. And when someone is visiting other website, if someone is visiting other website, and your ad will appear. So someone is, you can see this is this kind of ad by Google. So this kind of ad is called display ad. So when you are setting up your campaign, when you are select search network with display select, it means that you are going to show your ad when someone will search for your keyword. This is the search ad, as well as you will also show your ad on Google Display Network. This website is part of Google Display Network, GDN. Your ad will show to the Google Display Network as well, right? So if you have to do, you have to, if when you want to manage to advertisement both the places, in the search and in the display, if you want to manage advertisement in the search as well as in the display, then you have to select the campaign type search network with display select. When you want to run advertisement in only Google search and search partners, when you want to run advertisement only in the Google search means when someone is searching and your ad is appearing. So it's a Google search. When you want to run only search advertisement, then you will select Google search. And search partner, like AOL is a search partner, like AOL is a Google search partner. So let's see AOL. Have you seen that AOL? AOL is one of the search partners. So when you do searches in AOL, let's suppose you are searching for yoga retreat India. Yoga retreat India. So this result, you can see these results. These results are appearing due to this results. This results is appearing due to Google, right? So AOL is using Google algorithm to display this advertisement. So if you want to show your advertisement in Google partner, search partner website, so many websites use Google search algorithm in their own website. You can use Google custom search. Google custom search is an option when you are using Google algorithm to display the search result. So when you are using Google algorithm to display the search result, then you are Google search partner. So if you want to show the Google advertisement on your website, then you are Google search partner. So as an advertiser, you can select whether you want to show your ad only on the Google search or also on the Google search partner. Whenever you want to show your ad on the Google search. Let's suppose this is your Google search. Here you can look for yoga retreat in India, yoga retreat in India. So here, if you are running your advertisement only in the Google search, or you want to run advertisement in Google search partner, then you will use the campaign type search network. Then the campaign type should be search network. Display network, when you are showing your ad only and only to the other website, news website, blog website, or any Google display network website. So wherever this is ad by Google, if you want to show advertisement on such website, then you have to select display network. So it's Google network or network of partner website. You are going to show your ad only to the website who is Google display network. So what is the difference between search and display? What is the basic difference between search network and display network? Anyone can share? What is the basic difference between search network and display network? Can anyone share what difference between search network and it's a search network and display network? Just share what is search network and what is display network. When you will select search network, when you will select display network. Any idea? No idea? So search network, when someone is searching and your ad is appearing. This is search network. When someone is searching, and your ad is appearing. This is search network. Display network, no one is searching, even your ad is appearing. Your ad is appearing on other website, even no one is searching for your ad. So this is called display network. Any queries in search and display network? Display network is Adword on other website. Depend, very right, very right. IUC is asking for repeat. When your ad is appearing in the search, when someone is searching affordable yoga retreat in India, and your ad is appearing. Your ad is appearing only due to the searches. Only due to the searches. Then it is called search ad. You have to select the search. You have to select the campaign type search. When you want to show your ad on other website, this is the other website. This is the part of Google Display Network. You are showing your advertisement on other website. Then it is called display network. So it's either you can select display, means your ad will show only to the Google Display Network. Search, your ad will show only to the searches. When someone will search, your ad will appear. When you want to show your ad on search and display both, you can select search network with display select. You can select search network with display select, right? And shopping, when you are doing searches, when you are doing product advertisement, whenever you are doing product advertisement, let's suppose you are searching for iPhone, or let's suppose you are searching for iPhone Pixel, Google Pixel price. So this is sponsored. Can you see that this is sponsored? So this kind of advertisement is called shopping ad. This kind of advertisement, your best way to create the shopping advertisements. So this is example of shopping ad. So it's image ad in the search. This is example of search ad, only text. This is example of search ad. This is example of shopping ad. So when you are doing whenever you are doing product promotions, then you can set up a shopping ad. Video ad, any idea what is video ad? So video ad is example when you are going to the YouTube and you are searching for, let's suppose you are searching for any keyword. Let's suppose you are seeing here, and so can you see the ads? No, it's not, ad is not appearing here. Somewhere, sometime you go to the Google, so go to the YouTube, and you see advertisement, right? This kind of advertisement, have you seen that? Visit advertiser website, or video will play after ad. So this is the example of video ad, when you are showing your video advertisement on YouTube. So you can select the video ad on YouTube and across the web means display network. Video ad on YouTube and across the display network, then you will set up a video. And universal app campaign, when you are promoting mobile app in the searches, you are promoting mobile app in the display, you are promoting mobile app on YouTube, then you will select the campaign type universal app campaign. So it's Syed is saying YouTube. Yes, Syed. So these are the different type of campaign you will select according to the objective of your advertisement. Search and display both. You want to show your ad on search and display both. Search network with display select. You want to set up search network, you can go for search only. Display network, only Google display network. Shopping advertisement, product promotions on during advertisement, then shopping. Video promotions on YouTube or Google display network, then video. And app promotions on search, display and YouTube, then universal app campaign. So these are the different type of campaign. Which campaign you want to set up right now? Syed is saying, please repeat the search network with display. You are selecting only one campaign type, and within one type you will show your advertisement in Google. This is the search ad. This is the example of search ad, and you are also showing advertisement in a display website. This is the example of display website, display ad. So you are managing this ad and this ad in same campaign, that is search with display network. So search, when someone is searching, your ad will appear. When someone is visiting other website, your ad will appear. So this is the search with display network. Got the answer? Yes, set up search and display option. If set up search with display option, yes, it is possible. I am going to set up the search and display. Can you repeat the universal app campaign? Shivam is asking universal app campaign. When you are promoting mobile app, do you know, all of you know mobile app? Mobile app, you can promote mobile app. Yes, you can promote mobile app on when someone is searching for in Google, your mobile app ad will appear. When someone is visiting other website, your mobile app ad will appear. When someone is visiting video, your mobile app video will appear. So when you are promoting your mobile app, search, display and YouTube, then you have to select universal app campaign. Then you have to select universal app campaign. Got the point? Shivam? Yes. So it's a universal app campaign. Right now, let's select one. I'm selecting first campaign, Google search network with display select. I am selecting the first option, that Google search network with display select. And here every main type have some few subtype. So right now I'm selecting the first Google search network with display select, and you can set up you can select standard and all feature. Standard means you with the minimum options you are get ready with the website, you are get ready with your paid campaign. So you are providing minimum setting and your advertisement is ready to go. All features means all the search network feature with all the display select you will get. You will select all the, you will get to know all the options. So let's suppose right now I'm going for the all options. So while setting up the advertisement, you have to choose you have to choose from all available options, right? So you are going to set up this featured ad. So you have selected the type of campaign and subtype of the campaign, and then after that you will set up the network where you want to this is the search network or display network, where you want to show your ad. I want to show my ad on search network. This includes search partner like AOL or Google custom search website. So if you want to show your ad, you can include the Google custom partners website as well. Device, your ad will show to all the devices. For this particular campaign type, you don't have option to select the devices. Your ad will appear on all devices. So you will select the locations. Let's suppose I want to show my ad only to the United Kingdom. I'm setting up this ad only for the United Kingdom. So this objective of this ad, I want to attract foreigners who is looking forward for vacation in India. Along with that vacations, they want to go through some yoga retreat program. So this advertisement is exclusively for to attracting the foreign nationals. So right now I don't have a lot of location in mind. So right now I'm setting up for the UK people who is coming to India for vacations, and as well as they are going for yoga program. So I'm selecting the locations United Kingdom. So you have, whenever you will select an options, whenever you are selecting for options, let's suppose you are selecting for any options, you have option to add, exclude, and nearby. Add means your advertisement will show to that location. Exclude means your advertisement will not appear to that locations, and nearby, your ad will appear to the nearby locations as well. So these are the you can either add a location, you can exclude a location, and you can select the nearby. When you are selecting the nearby, you have to decide the radius. You have to decide the radius, and this is the reach. This is the expected number of people you are going to reach using this ad. This is the maximum potential you can reach to using this using this location. So this is the locations. Here you can do the radius targeting. Here you can decide the place name or addresses or coordination, and within that kilometer your ad will appear. So here you can do the radius targeting, location grouping. You can just choose the group locations, place of interest or demography or my locations. You can select a particular locations or group of locations to show your advertisement. Location group is set for the related locations that you can target to reach a specific type of customers. So let's suppose you have a chain of restaurant. So what you want to target, you want to target location of each outlet. You have 5 outlet at 5 different locations. You can target 5 those locations, and you can do advertisement in the nearby location. So that is the location group. Bulk location, if you have list of all the places, you can only copy paste the type of locations per line up to 1000 locations at a time, and then you can click for search to find those locations available for the targeting. So you can give the list of the locations, and then you can target those group of locations as well. So right now I am selecting only United Kingdom, and once you are happy with the targeting, you can click on done. You can also exclude if you are selecting in United Kingdom. Suppose you want to exclude London, so you can exclude London. You can see that you can exclude the London. So if you have selected bigger audience, you can exclude the smaller audience. Right now I'm not going to exclude it. I just wanted to show how you can exclude. So either you can include, exclude, or nearby. After setting up the location, you can click on done. So here we have done location targeting, and you have more advanced options like according to what people searching for or who show interest in my targeted locations. In that case, your ad will show to the targeted locations, and your ad will also show who will use your location as their interest, who will use your location in the search term. So for now, it's not very recommended one. I want to target people in my targeted locations. Means if my audience is physically present on my target locations, then only show my ad. So this option I am going for. In the same way, you can exclude people, exclude in my excluded locations. You can do that advanced setting. So whether you want to show your ad in the physical locations or whether you want to show your ad who has shown interest in your targeted locations. Let's suppose you don't want to show your ad in India, but you want to show your ad if someone is showing interest in India. So a yoga retreat in India. So yoga retreat in India, someone is searching for that keyword in UK. So I want to show my ad only in the UK. That's why I have selected the people in my targeted locations. If they are present in UK, then only show my ad. If they are present in India, I don't want to show my advertisement in India. So I have excluded that. So there you will decide you have selected the targeted locations, and then you will select the multiple language. If you want to target, you can select multiple languages here. Right now we have selected only English, and here it is the bidding strategy. Here you will decide your bidding strategy, how you want to pay to the Google, at what basis you will pay to the Google. This is the bidding strategy. So before running the advertisement, we have done keyword research, and in the process of keyword research, we have a little bit of idea that what average per click you are going to pay. So whether you are paying, I came to know that you can go to this Excel sheet and you can see that average, what is the average amount you are going to pay. So average, it's something from 90 rupees, 40, 126 or 90, 76. These are the average amount you are going to, so see, this yoga retreat in India have good search amount, very high competition. One is very high competition, but the bid amount is less. So you can find the average of this keyword. You can find the average. Let's suppose you are finding the average is equal to sum, and here you can select this value, and here, and then AV average. You are trying to find the average of this value. So it's not appearing right, but you can do BG calculations and see if you can find the average value. No, formula is not working. Let's find one more time. AVR AVRAGE average this value to this value. So average you may bid around 109 rupees or 110 rupees. So average you can bid for 109 and 110 rupees. For average you can bid for this. So what I will do, average bid amount I will set up for 110 rupees. So here you can pay like according to what basis. Either you can go for automated bid or you can go for manual bid. Automated bid means Google will decide that what exact amount you should bid, and manual bidding, you are going to decide that how much exactly you are going to pay. So this is the automated bidding and manual bidding. When you are going for the automated bidding, target search page locations. So what you are bidding for, make sure that my ad should appear on a particular place. Yoga retreat, yoga retreat India. So here what you are doing, you are targeting search page location, means your ad will appear on top of the page. So you are saying increase or decrease my bid amount, but make sure my ad should appear on the first page, or my ad should appear on the first place, or my ad should appear on the first three positions. So you are uh, keeping the conditions. Make sure my ad must get a particular location in the search page, and for that, to secure that positions, you are asking Google to increase the bid amount or decrease the bid amount. So this is target search page location. Target CPA, that is cost per actions. So you are going to pay for acquisitions. For every acquisitions, you are going to pay for that. But for target, if you will target search page locations, the bidding strategy is not available to you. First, you have to set up the conversion tracking. If you haven't set up the conversion tracking, you can't you can't bid around cost per acquisitions. And to set up the conversion tracking, I will let you know in the next sessions. You can set up the conversion tracking from the tools and conversions. You can set up the conversion from here. Other option is ad target return on ad spent. It's a return on ad spent. So when you are going for return on ad spent, again this bidding strategy is not available to you, because that required conversion tracking. So, and to do the conversion tracking, you have to set up the conversion goal from here. So its target ad return on ad spent automatically set bid to help as much conversion as possible with the target ad return on ad spent. Some conversion may have higher and some conversion may have lower target audience, target value. So next is target outrank share. So the target outrank share, you will choose a domain which you want to outrank in the search result, and how often you want to outrank it. And Adword it automatically set your bid to help that target. So let's suppose you want that whenever you are running advertisement for yoga retreat program, you want that my ad should always appear above the Ayur universe. So you are giving the domain name. Okay, whenever my ad should appear above ayuruniverse.com. So you can give the domain name, and Google will increase the bid amount or decrease the bid amount, but Google always make sure that your ad should appear above this domain name. And how often you want to appear in, like once or every time or 10 times, how often you want your ad to appear above this domain name, so that you will define, and then you can use for target outrank share. It's very interesting, but it's very like Google is trying to place competition between two advertisers so that they can bid higher amount and Google get the maximum benefit out of that. So maximize clicks means you are asking Google to increase my bid amount or decrease the bid amount, but make sure I should be getting maximum clicks. So this is the initially we will go for this. With maximize clicks, Adword automatically set your bid to help get as much click as possible within your budget. So in general, we go for this options. Enhance CPC, when you are automatically your bid amount will be adjusted to maximize the conversions. So your ad to maximize the conversions, and this particular bid strategy is not available to you because we haven't set up the conversion tracking yet. Once we set up the conversion tracking, then only we will be able to target enhanced CPC. So enhanced CPC, Adword will increase your bid amount within your budget and make sure that you must be getting maximum number of conversions. So it is all these are automated bidding options. Automated bidding options means it's an automatic bidding strategy. Google AdWord is deciding what amount you have to bid. Manual bidding means you are going to decide. This is the manual bidding. You will set your own maximum cost per click, and Google will just follow that per click options. So right now, let's suppose I am going for maximum click options, and I am setting, this is maximum CPC bid limit, means you are setting the control. Whatever you amount Google want to bid, just bid it, means you are ready to pay this number of money, but don't exceed 110 rupees, 100 maximum you can bid for 110 rupees. You can't bid for more than that. Means you can't bid for 1000 rupees. You can't bid for 111 rupees. You can maximum you can bid for 110 rupees. So this is your control. This is your maximum limit. This is the limit you are setting up for the automated bidding options. So Google can increase or decrease the bid amount to achieve a particular objective of conversions or clicks, but they can't exceed this limit. They can't bid more than this amount. So this is the control. So you will set up your maximum CPC budget. This is option, but it's always good idea to set up these options. And this is budget. Budget means entire day, how much money you want to spend on advertisement. It's the budget is per day budget. So all of you are here only, right? Dependra, Dayanand, Syed, Sara. Yes, Dayanand is here. Few of you have gone offline. Okay, so here you are setting up your bidding strategy. This is very important to understand. You have to set up the bidding strategy. Maximum bid amount is how much you are going to pay per click, and budget is how much you are going to pay how much you are going to spend it on entire day. So your maximum, let's suppose I want to pay maximum, I want to spend 1000 rupees per day. So that is the maximum. Google will not exceed more than that. But on a particular day, Google may exceed little bit and Google may spend little bit less. So budget is all about. So Google will treat this budget 1000 multiplied by 30.1. So Google will ask per day budget from you, but Google will treat this monthly budget. So if per day, if you are ready to spend 1000 rupees, then Google assume that you are ready to spend 30,000 rupees per month. So Google will maximize its budget according to the 30,000. So in a particular day, Google may spend 1,500 or Google may spend 800 rupees, but Google will not exceed your monthly budget. So this is your control. It's not like that you have set up your ad and your ad has eat up all your money. No, you can set up the maximum limit how much you want to spend on the Google, whether it's per day budget. You can set up your per day budget here, and then you will decide your delivery method. Standard means your ad will be evenly distributed over the period. So it's not like that in morning first hour you have expended all your budget. So your ad will be distributed over entire day. So your ad should appear on morning, afternoon and evening. So your budget should be distributed throughout the day. So here you will decide the ad extensions. So if you have seen this ad extensions, these are the site link extensions. This is call extensions. So this is snippet, rich snippet extension. So this is again site link extensions. So this is the basic site: title, URL, and description. This is the most basic advertisement. This is the most basic ad copies. So apart from this basic ad copy, whatever informations you are providing, that informations you have to provide using ad extensions. So title, URL, and descriptions, these are the three basic components. Apart from these three basic components, if you want to provide any informations like phone number or extra lines of informations or this internal pages of your website or rating or reviews or addresses or locations, so you have lot many other options which you can provide as extra information on your ad copies. So the more informations you will provide, bigger advertisement you can make, and the better click you can receive. So you can go for ad extensions. Let's suppose you are going for location, your address must be present on Google My Business, then only you can include that address as locations. Site link, you can add internal pages of your website. Call, you can add mobile number or phone number. Apps, if you have corresponding mobile applications, you can provide the links. If you have reviews on Google My Business, you can add reviews. Call outs, if you are adding descriptive text like you are adding descriptive text of call now or book now or enroll now or register now. So you can add descriptive text in the call outs, and a structured snippet, it's a extra line of text. You can add one or two extra line of text using a structured snippet. So this is the extra information you can add along with your title, URL, description, ad copy. So you can use this one. Right now I'm not going to use any one, or let's suppose I'm using one site link. So I am setting up this ad for a website, Yoga, the Essence of Life. Yoga, Essence of Life. Let's suppose I'm running this ad for the website Yoga, Essence of Life. Essence. So I'm not able to find this Yoga, Essence of Life. Okay. Let's see if I can find the Yoga, Essence of Life is the website I want to do advertisement on. Yoga, the Essence of Life Foundation. This is the website we are looking for. So I'm doing advertisement for this particular website, right? So I have to include the internal. Let's suppose this is the home page. I want to include this internal page as the site link, Yoga, Essence of Life Yoga Retreats. I can include it as a site link. So here you can click on site link extensions, and here you can add the new site link, right? So here you will provide the link, and here you will provide the link text. So let's suppose I am giving link text as yoga retreat. So you will set up the retreat, and if you want to describe this text, you can describe this text as well. If you want to show this site link on a particular date and time, you can schedule it. If you have a separate URL for the mobile, you can provide the separate URL, or if you have a separate site link options, advanced options are here. To track this, you can set up the advanced options. Right now I'm not providing this one, but that way you can set up the site links. You can save here. So this way you can add as many site links. You have created one site link, you can click on add new site link, you can have more site link. So you can add locations, but you can add location only if you are present in Google My Business. So right now I'm not adding Google My Business locations. We have added site link. If you want to add call extensions, you have to provide the mobile number. So let's suppose I am providing this mobile number as the extensions. So you will click on call extensions. You have clicked on call extensions. So along with your advertisement, your mobile number will also appear. So here you will click on add mobile number. Here you will select the country. Here you will select the country. Let's suppose you are looking for the country India. So India, and then here you will provide the mobile number, or call reporting. If you want to make it off or on, conversion action will be created for to track your call conversions. If you want to track how many call you have received on this number, you can do the call reporting, or you can make it off. If you want to show this number only on the mobile, you can select that mobile preferences. Advanced tracking options, you can provide a start date and end date and scheduling. Not providing this advanced options, then you can click on save. So you are adding two informations along with your advertisements. You have added one site link, you have added one mobile number. So in the same way, you can add more ad extensions. Ad extension, basic ad plus more informations. So apps, review, call outs, structure, snippet, you can add more informations. And then you will set up when you want to run your advertisement. If you you can provide the start date and you can provide the end date. So let's suppose you are running your advertisement from 18th Feb to 18th March. So 18th Feb to 18th, let's suppose to 31st March. Here you can show the ad scheduling. In automatic bidding, you can't set up your scheduling. When you go for manual bidding, let's suppose here you are selecting the manual bidding. So right now we have done the automated bidding. Let's suppose you are selecting the manual bidding, and you are setting up your default bid to 110 rupees. So then you have an option to select at which time you want to show your ad. So if you want to show your ad all time from, let's suppose, 4 a.m. to might be 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. So that you can set up this kind of ad scheduling, and after ad scheduling you can decide the rotation, how your ad will appear, whether your ad will appear your Google will optimize your ad for the clicks, Google will optimize your ad for the conversions, or Google will show your ad evenly, or Google will show your ad indefinitely. So Google will show your ad for the 90 days, or Google will show your ad indefinitely. Right now we are going for optimize for conversions. So you can set up the frequency capping, means you want to show your ad. Let's suppose you want to show your 5 times per day per ad group. So you can set up the frequency capping. So how many times you want to show your ad to the same people? So you can do the frequency capping. If you dynamic search ad is when you don't know, if you want to show this advertisement for the keyword present on this page, then you can set up the dynamic search ad. So you don't know what keyword your user might be searching for, then you are giving this page to the Google, and you are saying whatever keyword is present on this page, I want to show my ad for that keyword. So in that case, Google will dynamically insert that keyword in the ad copies. So then you can go for dynamic search ad. And if you want to set up advanced URL tracking, you can set up the URL tracking here. These are the few advanced options. Right now it's okay if you will just ignore it. So after providing this basic information, you can click on save and continue. When you have a featured ad copies, featured setting, then you may not get this much of option. So till now we have provided all campaign level informations. Till now we have provided the campaign level informations. Now we are going to provide you ad group level informations. So what is ad group? Ad group is collection of ad copies plus related keyword. Ad copies plus related keyword. So collection of ad copies, this is final URL, headline 1, headline 2, path, description. So this will create one ad copy. This is called ad copy. This is the preview of the ad copy. So ad group is collection of ad copies, and you have created this ad copy for the set of keywords. You have created this ad copy for the set of keyword. So this collection, ad copies plus related keyword, combined together is termed as ad group. So let's suppose I am creating this ad group for yoga retreat. So I am creating this ad copy for yoga retreat here, and it's because you are running search network with display select. You are running search network with display selects. So that's why they are giving you option to create text ad or ad gallery or dynamic search ad or mobile app engagement. Otherwise, they might have according to the campaign type, you may get different option of creating advertisements. So right now I am creating only text ad. So this is the final URL. You have to set up the final URL, right? You will set up the final URL here. You will set up the final URL. Here you will write the headline, main headline. So take times, it gives time. So it's experience the yoga. Experience, let's suppose you are setting up the ad copy as experience yoga. Never write all caps, always write in the title case. Experience the yoga, all caps. You may this ad will go to the approval. So when you are writing all caps, or when you are exceeding this character limitations, or when you are using any particular brand, so in that case your ad may get disapproved, right? So you will keep that thing in mind. Welcome to experience the realized potential. Take so let's suppose I am running yoga retreat is the ad I am running for. This ad copy I have created for the yoga retreat. So I'm yoga retreat for 3, 5, 7 nights stay in Himalayas. So we are setting up this ad copy. So yoga retreat, stay in Himalayas. Experience the yoga and stay in Himalaya. Experience, let's suppose yoga retreat in Himalaya. So yoga retreat in Himalayas. You have to give the good reasons to create the ad. So it's when first image, holy person, mental, physical, spiritual, is aimed to teach practical application of the yoga. Learn practical application of the yoga along with the philosophy behind the physical, mental, and spiritual discipline. So you may write the description. Learn practical application of yoga along with philosophy behind this physical, mental, and spiritual discipline. So character limitation is very high, so you have to, behind this you may have to remove this part. So learn practical application of yoga along with the physical, along with the philosophy behind physical, mental, and spiritual discipline. Along with, might be, you have to create your ad copy so that you can maximize the clicks behind the discipline. Learn practical application of yoga along with the philosophy behind the discipline, right? So whatever ad copy you are creating, that should get you maximum clicks. So if you can create this yoga retreat here, it's yoga retreat in Himalayas, in Himalayas, stay in Himalayas. So this is the display URL which will appear on, this is in display URL. Display URL means which URL will appear in your ad comments. So stay in Himalaya or Himalaya stay, you can say that Himalaya So this is your actual final URL, means might be this is your actual, because we are running advertisement for yoga retreat. So you can click on yoga retreat, and this is yoga retreat program, right? You will copy the yoga retreat. So this is your final URL. When someone will click here, they will land on yoga retreat program. So you are running this, you are providing the final URL. This is your landing page URL. This is your headline too. You can also see more advertisement around it. You can see yoga retreat in India. So you can see more program, best yoga retreat in India. So may write best yoga retreat Himalaya, best yoga retreat in Himalaya. So best yoga retreat in Himalaya, yoga retreat for 3, 5, 7 nights. Here again you will not write all caps. They may not accept the all caps. So you have to write in the title case. Retreat for 3 or 5 or 7 days. So you are creating yoga retreat for 3, 5, 7 days, and this is your display URL. This is your display URL. This is your title, headline 1, headline 2 URL, and this is your descriptions. So when you are happy with this design, you can see this design, and you can see the preview in mobile, you can see the preview in desktop, how your ad will appear in the desktop. And then if you have advanced URL, if you want to track separately, you can provide the parameters. If you have separate URL for the mobile devices, you can provide the mobile device URL. And here you will provide the keywords. Here you will add the keywords. So either you can select the keyword from here, or you can select the keyword from here. Yoga retreat in India. So you can select, as we have created the ad around retreat, so you must fulfill that expectations. So you will select the keyword around retreats. You will not select all the keywords. You will select the keyword only around retreats. So affordable retreats, retreat. Okay. So you will select the keyword around retreat because you have created your ad copy around retreat. So retreat. And when you have to create a, let's suppose you have to run ad for 200-hour yoga teacher training program. So in that case you will create separate ad copies. So here you will, if you want to run advertisement related to 200 yoga teacher training program, then you will set up a new ad group. And then you will select the keyword around 200 yoga teacher training program. So your ad copy is ready, right? And your target keyword is ready. And then you will set up, if you want to estimate the search traffic, you can estimate the search traffic according to your budget. So according to your budget, you are going to get 12 to 15 clicks per day, and you are going to spend 900 to 100,000 11 rupees per day, and average cost is going to appear 63 rupees to 78 rupees. So your estimated traffic summary is this one. And if you want to give the maximum cost per click, you can change the cost per click, and after doing the setup you can click on save and continue. So here the character limitation is increasing, so you may reduce the character limitation for this dash sign. So once you have corrected the error, you can click on save and continue. So they will ask for the billing. So now they will ask for the billing. So you can set up whether you are an individual or a company. Whether you in which country you are doing the advertisement, you will select the country. Then you can click on continue, and then you have to provide the billing informations. Billing informations means whether the account is business, or whether you are running as a business, or whether you are running as a individuals. You will provide the tax informations, name and addresses. So you will provide the name of the name, addresses, and how you would like to do the payment, automatic payment or manual payment. And then you will provide your credit card informations, and then you have to accept and terms and conditions, and then you have to submit. So that way you will set up your advertisement. So how many of you are able to set up ads? How many of you feel that you can set up the campaign now? You can set up the search with display select campaign in the Adword. How many of you feel that you can set up the campaign? Sayed is saying maybe. Yes, Sayed, yes, will be. You should be, yes, you should be able to set up the campaign. Dayanand is saying yes, he is able to set up the campaign. Very nice. So yes, you should be able to set up the campaign. Here you will again click on the campaign to do any kind of editing. You can do any kind of editing now. If you want to do editing in the campaign, you can go here, and if you want to change the campaign name, you can change the campaign name from here, right? If you want to create the new campaign, you can click here and you can select the new campaign and set up the new campaign. If you want to do changes in the ad copies, here you can change the ad copies. So here you can change the ad copies. So if you want to add the keyword, you can set up the keywords. So now see the keyword. All the keyword has an option of quality score. This is the keyword have quality score. So this is quality score. You can see the ad preview and diagnosis. You can see the ad preview and diagnosis, that on this keyword how your ad will appear. So when someone will search for yoga retreat India, how your ad is going to appear. So when someone will search for yoga retreat India, you can click on preview and see how your ad is going to appear. So see how your ad is going to appear. Okay, as we have not provided the, no, your ad is not showing for this keyword right now. There is number of reasons. Because the first reason is we have not provided the billing informations. We have not provided the billing informations. So till we not provide the billing informations, we not be able to preview our ad. So here you can do the preview and diagnostic. So they will show you exactly how your ad is going to appear. And this quality score is how many times your ad is getting clicks. So many options are there to increase the quality score. The quality score value is between 0 to 10. So higher the quality score, better ranking you will get and less amount you will pay. So quality score is its quality score is on the scale of 0 to 10, and when you are achieving expected CTR, that CTR is the most important thing, that how many clicks you are receiving. If you are receiving more clicks, then you are getting more CTR. So if the higher CTR, add relevancy means whatever keyword you have searched, that keyword is present in title, that keyword is present in URL, that keyword is present in description. That means your ad is relevant to the keyword. So you have to make the relevant ad. So this will increase your quality score. If your keyword is present in title, URL, descriptions, then your ad is relevant one. This will increase your quality score. And the landing page. So if when someone is clicking here and they are landing on your website, so this is how they are experiencing, how much time they are spending on your website. If they are coming to the website and coming back again, so in that case, you are not engaging with your client, so that will, your quality score will deteriorate. So basically quality score means you have to you must have higher quality score. Always aim for at least 8 or 9 quality score for each keyword. Try to use the keyword in ad copies, in title, URL, descriptions. Try to place the keyword in landing page, and then try to increase the clicks. If your ad is appearing here, then make sure you should be receiving the clicks. Clicks is very important. So when you are receiving the clicks, everyone is happy. When this advertiser is receiving the clicks, means this advertiser is happy. When the advertiser is receiving the clicks, Google is happy because Google has received the amount, advertiser has received the visitors, and user is happy because whatever user has searched, they have received that information on the Google. So the user, Google and advertiser, user, Google and advertiser, all these three are happy if someone is clicking on the advertisement. So Google always look for the better clicks, clicks. So you have to optimize for better clicks, right? So you can see this quality score. Now you understand the quality score. You understand the quality score. How many of you understand the quality score? Quality score is a variable used by Google, Yahoo, Bing, and that can influence the rank of your advertisement. That can influence the position of your advertisement, where your ad will appear. So quality score is one of the important factors which will decide the position of your advertisement, which is going to influence the position of your advertisement. To determine the ad copies, best quality score, you have to use use the keyword in the title, URL, descriptions. And quality score is win-win for the users, Google and advertisers. User is getting informations, Google is getting money from the clicks, advertiser is getting users, prospected users. So it's more CTR. More CTR means more click. More click means more traffic. More traffic means advertiser is happy. More CTR means more click. More click means more money. Google is happy. More CTR means relevant content. User is happy. So click is the most important parameters everyone is looking for. So again, pay per click is when you have more targeted traffic, you are going to make more sales. Advertiser is happy. When advertiser is happy, advertiser is spend more money on the Google, more budget for the advertisement. Google is happy. User is finding what they are looking for. User is happy. So if you have to always go for win-win. Your user, Google, and advertisers. User, Google, and advertiser all must be very happy. So pay per click is Google reward you if your quality score is higher, and Google will punish you if quality score is less. So it's not reward. How Google will reward? If your quality score is higher, you will get a better position in the lesser pay per click. In lesser amount, you will get the better position. If your quality score is low, you will get lower position and you may have to pay higher payment. So then Google is penalizing you or punishing you. So when how you will structure the campaign, there is account. You have to set up the account. Within that account, you will create the campaign. So this is your account. Here you have set up the Adword account. Within that Adword account, you are going to set up the campaign. So you will set up the campaign here. So you can set up the campaign. So you can set up as many campaigns as you want. This is your campaign. Within that campaign, you can have multiple ad groups. So this is the ad group. You can create more ad group here. This is your ad group, and within the ad group you have keywords. Within the ad group you have keywords. So this is the structure you follow. Account, within account campaign, within campaign ad groups, within ad groups ad copies, and for that ad copies you are targeting the keywords. So this is the structure of the account you follow. And then we will discuss the type of keyword. So when you are going to run advertisements, so basically this is the play of keyword. The better keyword you can target, you can have better advertisements. So building block of paid advertisement, building block of search paid advertisement is the keyword. So there are 4 or 5 type of keyword. You can click on here keyword, you can click on yes I understand, and then you have this variety of keyword: broad keyword, exact keyword, phrase keyword. Broad keyword means when you are targeting broad, so means your ad is eligible for the word yoga, your ad is eligible for the word retreat, and your ad is eligible for both the word yoga and retreat. So then it's a broad keyword. Exact keyword, when someone is exactly looking for yoga retreat, then only your ad will appear, then only your ad is eligible to show, then it's an exact keyword. Phrase keyword, when your ad is appearing for yoga retreat or retreat yoga, means order is not a considerations. In if that keyword must be present in any order, your ad is eligible to display, then it's a phrase keyword. So it's broad, exact, and phrase. You can have 3 kind of keywords. You can also add this negative keyword. You can add keyword as the negative keyword. So here you can see keywords, all keywords, or enabled keyword, or removed keyword. You can click on add keyword, and you can select the ad copy, in which ad copy you want to add the keyword. So let's suppose you are selecting this ad copy. In that ad copy you have to select it, and then you can add the keyword. So they are giving you the keyword. Let's suppose you are adding more keyword: yoga retreat India, or India yoga retreats, or retreats in India, or meditation retreats, retreats in India, spiritual retreats, meditation retreats, India meditation retreat, retreat India, best yoga retreats, spiritual retreat India. So these are the keywords you are targeting related to retreat. So silent retreat, luxury yoga retreat, best yoga retreat, yoga retreats or yoga retreat India. So these are the keywords you are targeting. You can add more keyword here and then you can save here. And you must be able to add the negative keyword. Why it is not option is appearing to add the negative keyword? Yes, here you can add the negative keyword. You can go to the keyword and here is an option to add the negative keywords. So let's suppose you want to add a negative keyword on the campaign level. So whenever this keyword will appear along with your targeted keyword. If whatever keyword you are writing here, if this keyword will appear along with your target keyword, then your ad will not appear. So here you can add negative keyword. So you are adding campaign. In which campaign you want to add negative keyword? I want to add negative keyword in this campaign. Here you will add the negative keyword. Let's suppose someone is looking for book, someone is looking for job, someone is looking for jobs, and someone is looking for books. So you don't want to show your advertisement for these kind of keywords, then you can add as a negative keyword. So when someone will search for yoga book, your ad will not appear. When someone is looking for yoga job, your ad will not appear. When someone is looking for yoga books, your ad will not appear. So that way you can add negative keyword. So this is the keyword. Here you can select on keywords, click on keywords, and you can see all the keywords. You can see all the keywords which you are targeting. Here you can see the quality score of the keyword. You can mouse over here and you can see the quality score of keyword. You can see whether your ad is appearing or not. Because we haven't provided the bidding informations, none of our ad is appearing. You can pause or enable any keyword. Right now it's enabled. If you want to pause it, you can pause it. Let's suppose if the keyword is not performing, the keyword is not giving you any results, so in that case you can pause that keyword. So India's best yoga retreat, let's suppose you want to pause this keyword, so you can click here and you can pause this keyword. Your ad will not appear for this keyword. So you can add keywords here, and you can add this, you can add negative keywords, and you can add, see the search term. So this keyword is the list of the keyword which you have targeted. These are the keyword you have done the guessing, you have collected the keyword, you are showing the ad on this keyword, you have done the guess and you assume that this is the keyword your ad should appear in. But what your end user is actually searching will appear in the search term. When your ad will appear, and actually which keyword has triggered your ad to show will appear here in the search term. So you can click on search term and you can see how many times your ad has been triggered due to this particular keyword. What was the match type, where it is broad match or exact match or fringe match. So why your ad appeared, due to which match type, and then you can add this keyword or exclude this keyword. If the keyword is relevant one, you can add for the targeting. If the keyword is irrelevant one, you can exclude that keyword. And in which campaign that keyword is present, in which ad group that keyword is present, the number of clicks you have received from that keyword, number of impressions you have received from that keyword, number of CTR, average cost per click, total cost, average positions, you can see for entire informations, right? So that way keyword is the most important thing. Keyword, which keyword you are targeting, which keyword you are adding as a negative keyword. This will be your daily practices to go and see the search term and exclude and include the keyword. So I hope you understand this keyword type. Broad type means when your ad is appearing, when you are targeting yoga retreat India. So your ad is eligible for yoga, your ad is eligible to show for retreat, your ad is eligible to show for India. So yoga retreat India. When you are targeting phrase match, means your ad will be eligible for yoga retreat India in any order. So India yoga retreat, yoga India, India yoga retreat, yoga India retreat, or yoga retreat India, any permutation and combination of these three keywords will trigger your ad. Your ad will be eligible to show with permutation combination of any three keywords. So, but all these three keywords must be present if you are targeting phrase match. So this is the phrase match and exact match. Your ad will appear only and only when someone is searching for yoga retreat India, exactly in the same order, exactly the same keyword. Then only your ad is appearing. So you can target the exact keyword. Initially, when you have a limited budget, initially when you have a limited knowledge, you rather than going for the broad targeting, you can start with the exact targeting. When you have a little bit of confidence that okay, this exact targeting is giving you more clicks and more conversions, you can target that keyword in the phrase. When phrase is giving you enough good results, then you try to target that keyword in the broad. Initially, don't try to start targeting in the broad. So you should be bottom up approach. So start targeting with long tail, start targeting with exact, and then go for shorter keywords or phrase match keyword, and then go for broader keyword, that is broad match keyword. So you can add negative keyword. Negative keyword means when this keyword will appear with along with any target keyword, your ad will not show. This is a negative keyword. So try out cost of the PPC for broad match, phrase match and exact match. You can see which match is giving you maximum result, which keyword is giving you maximum results. So you have different costing you may have to pay for the different match type. Exact match you might be paying more. Here you can see that for each keyword how much cost you are paying. So this you can analyze this data, this number of clicks you have received for the keyword, number of impressions your ad has been appeared for this keyword, what is your CTR, that is click-through rate, what is your average cost for clicks, what is the total cost for that keyword, what is the average position for that keyword, and what you can label it as well. So this stats will give you an idea which keyword is giving you better result, which keyword costing you less and giving you better result. So you can experiment around that exact, phrase and broad. And how you will do that? You can just change the keyword type. So you will select the keyword. Let's suppose you want to select this, you will select this keyword here, and then you will click on add and understand, and then you may select exact keyword. So you are targeting it as exact keyword. Then you will save it. So this is your exact keyword. So if you want to target it as exact, you can target it as a exact. So you can just make this keyword as exact. So India yoga retreat, you can change it to the exact. Or if you want to change it to the phrase, you can change to the phrase as well. So initially start targeting with exact. Once that keyword is giving you good result, then change it to the phrase. Once this keyword is giving you good result, you can change it to the phrase. Once the same keyword is giving you very good result, you can change the keyword to the broad. So this is the way we get started with the keyword targeting. So try out that which keyword match is giving you most cost effective advertisement solution. So here we have already created the campaign. Do you remember that? Okay, Syed has one question. What is the standard expense or costing for the 4 lakh turnover company? What is the standard expense or costing for 4 lakh turnover company? I'm not getting what exactly you are asking, Syed. So if you are asking for the ad budget, let's suppose you are asking for the ad budget. So ad budget depends on how many clicks you want to receive. So let's suppose if you are asking for the ad budget, are you asking for the ad budget? There. Okay. So when you are asking for the ad budget, first you will try how many clicks you want to receive per day. Let's suppose you want to receive 1000 clicks per day. Then what is the cost of the click? What is the average average cost of the clicks. So let's suppose your average cost is 30 rupees. So then your budget will be 1000 multiplied by 1000 multiplied by 30 is equal to 30,000. So your per day budget will be 30,000 to receive 1000 clicks. So receive to get 1000 clicks, 30,000 will be your per day budget. So your monthly budget will be 30,000 multiplied by 30,000 multiplied by 30. So that will be you can see in the calculator what will be your budget. If you want to receive if you want to receive if you want to receive 1000 clicks, right? You want to receive 1000 click per day. So 1000 and average cost of the click is 30 rupees. So multiplied by 30. So per day you are spending 30,000. If you want to know monthly budget, then you can multiply your per day budget multiplied by 30. So that will be your monthly budget. So 9 lakh rupees will be the per month budget to receive 1000 clicks per day. So that way can you calculate the budget? Are you able to calculate the budget? Yes. So it depends on the number of clicks, number of conversions. Let's suppose you can see that per thousand clicks is giving you 10 conversions. If let's suppose per 1000 click is giving you 10 conversions, right? 10% conversions. So if you want to receive 20 conversions per day, accordingly you will calculate the budget for the campaign, budget for the account. So here we will set up the campaign again. To create your campaign, what you will do, you will go to the campaign, click on search campaign, select the type of campaign. Right now we have set up search network with display net select. Right, again you can set up the search network. This time we are going to set up the search network. So this is the type of network. Here you will set up the name of the campaign. Let's suppose you are going for yoga retreat India, and it's search one. So you will select the type of the campaign. If you want to promote mobile apps, only in search. Mobile app engagement, only in search. Dynamic search, only in search. Call only in search. Standard will give you minimum informations. All feature will give you all the options to select from. So you can set up the standard one, and then you can set up the you have given the campaign name, you have selected the campaign type, you have selected the subtype, and then you can select the setting from the existing campaign. If you are in a hurry, you can select the setting from the existing campaign, and you can decide. Right now we have selected the search campaign only, so you can show your ad to the search Google search or search partners. So last time we have selected search partners. Right now I am selecting only Google search. So you can select where you want to show your ad. By default your ad is eligible for all the devices for this campaign type. Then you will select the locations. So you can go to the advanced locations. You can select the locations. Let's suppose I want to show my ad only for the United Kingdom. So United Kingdom, you can add, exclude, or nearby. And adding it, other options you can explore, and then you can click on done. So you have selected the locations. Then you have to select the language. English language we have selected. Then you have to select the bidding strategy. So let's suppose you are going for maximize clicks. Here you will provide the maximum CPC. Let's suppose I am providing the maximum CPC of 80 rupees. You will calculate by calculating the average. You can calculate the amount by calculating the average spend for per click, right? So then you will provide this one, and the per day budget. Let's suppose my per day budget is 500 rupees for this campaign, and then you will provide the ad extensions which we have already provided. Then you can click on continue, save and continue. There you will provide the ad group informations. Here you are going to create the ad group. Ad group is add copies plus keyword. So it's that landing page. You will share your landing page URL. So let's suppose this is your landing page URL. You have given the landing page URL here, and then you will give the name of the ad copies. So let's suppose this ad copy is yoga retreat, India. It's yoga retreat India. You have given the name of the ad copy. Whatever name you want to give, you can give the here you will place the keyword. So let's suppose you want to add keyword related to spiritual. So you can click on all the keyword: spiritual retreat in India, spiritual retreat India, India spiritual retreat, spiritual yoga retreat, spiritual ashram in India. I don't want to include the ashram. Spiritual trip to India, spiritual center in India, spiritual holidays in India. So I want to go for only retreats. So you can click on add campaign. So your keyword is there. You have selected the keyword here. So in the same way, you can create new ad groups. Once you have selected the final keyword, you can click on create ad. Now you will create your ad copies, actual ad copy which will appear on the Google. So according to the keyword selected, you will create your ad copy. Make sure whatever keyword you have selected, you will create your ad copy accordingly, and whatever expectations you are setting up in your keyword, that expectations you will fulfill in the ad copies, and whatever expectations you are setting up in ad copies, that expectations must be fulfilled in your landing page. And while creating the ad copy, your focus should be receiving maximum clicks. You should focus on creating the maximum clicks. So you will create headline 1, headline 2, path. Let's suppose right now I'm just going to copy the headline from somewhere else. So India's best yoga retreats. So this is India's best yoga retreats, and okay, extraordinary retreats, no booking fee, or hand-picked and verified yoga retreats. Compare or book yoga session in Himalayas, or you can have it's yoga retreat के best price guaranteed, or extraordinary retreat. So you can click here, and it's it may be your second headline. So make it India's best yoga retreat, or India's extraordinary yoga retreat, or make it extraordinary yoga retreat, best price guaranteed, and might be no booking fee. So we are not asking for booking fee, so you can provide also no booking fee. So whatever expectations you are setting up here must fulfill that expectations. So no booking fee, or best price. Here you will decide the path. So let's suppose your path is yoga retreat in Himalayas. So it's yoga retreat in Himalayas. It's Himalayas. So here you may provide the path. It's the display URL. This is only to increase the clicks. This we are writing only to increase the clicks. So HIMALAYA, Himalaya. So this is only to increase your clicks. You can make it in the title case. So yoga retreat. Here you will write the description of 80 characters, and whatever you are writing, that writing must be increase your clicks. Okay, so for those who is seeking true relaxations, India Mani's Yoga Retreat offers the perfect balance of soothing surroundings and classes. Uh, if you are seeking serenity and spiritual renewal, then this program is for you. Might be you can write something like that. If you are seeking serenity and spiritual renewal, this yoga retreat is perfect for you. This yoga retreat is perfect for you. Perfect for you. You can set up this yoga retreat is perfect. So that way, if you are happy with right now, I have written as such, but you have to write very thoughtfully. We are done. Sarah is asking, we are done for the day. Yes, Sarah, in 5 minutes we are going to wind up. In 5 minutes we are going to wind up. So that way you have created the ad copy. Once your ad copy is done, you can create more ad copy if you want. If you want to create only one ad copy, you can click on create ad. You have created your ad copy. You can review the campaign, how your campaign is reviewing. So this is your 500 budget, this locations you have targeted, this language you have targeted, this network, search network you have targeted, English language. This is your ad copy. So when everything is fine, you can click on save and finish. So that way you have created one more campaign. Now we have created two campaigns. Can you see that? So you have created two campaigns. First campaign is YRI search, and second campaign is this was search with display. Search with display. This campaign is only search. So we have created two campaign. Here you can see two campaign. All the campaign you can see here. So again, I'm going to share. You can select the campaign type, campaign subtype. Then you will create your ad copies. Ad copies collection of ad copies, and ad group is collection of ad copies and keywords. You will create your ad copies to get the maximum number of clicks, and then most important thing to be considered. So your keywords, your ad should be in the title case. You will write title description to have ad group keyword. So whatever keyword you are targeting, that keyword must be present in your title and descriptions, and they must have call to action: call now, book now, visit now, register now. So that things must be appearing in your ad copies. So that is it. That is done for the day. So are you able to you can do all this editing. If you want to do the campaign, if you want to do the changes in the campaign, you can go to the settings. You can select the campaign and you can change the settings. So you can change the location setting, you can change the ad scheduling, you can change the devices. So it's all setting. You can change the campaign name, type, and network and devices and locations, and that target locations excluded, language, and the bidding strategy, budget, delivery method, or any single thing you can edit. There is always an option to edit any time, country, currency, and time zone. Except that, every single thing you can uh, you can edit here. Okay, so okay, we are done for the day. Any questions so far? Any questions so far? No? Okay, nice, thank you. So we are going to wind up, and there is some question from Syed. Please send me the relevant doc for Tuesday class. Tuesday class? We haven't done any Tuesday class. Okay, I think you are asking for today's class. Okay, you are asking relevant document related to today's class. Okay, I will share the document with you guys on today's class. Okay, fine, fine, fine. So I hope you will revise the sessions and you will set up more campaign. Right now we have set up only two type of campaign. We have set up only two campaign. We have set up the search. We have set up the search with display and set up the display. You guys will try to set up network, shopping, videos, and universal as well. Otherwise, we will try to set this up tomorrow. Tomorrow session. Okay, Dayanand, I will share the content with you guys on today's class. I will share the more content related to this with you. Right? So can we wind up for the day? Okay, nice. Thank you very much. Bye. Bye, Vivek. Bye, Dayanand. Bye, Sayed. Bye, Sarah. If you have any questions, you can just drop me a mail or you can connect with me. I will resolve your queries. Right? Bye. Thank you. Bye. Good night. Thank you. Thank you, Vivek. Bye. I will share the relevant file. I will share the relevant file with you. No worries. I have the files. I will share the relevant file with you. Okay. Bye. Good night.